Hey y'all, so I wanted to show you guys some of the seedlings that I'm starting indoors. Okay, so the first one that you see here is the yellow pear tomato. I did this pear indoors and I loved it. Next is the cinnamon basil, which I can't wait to taste. Then we have the Thai basil, which is purple and so pretty. And then, let's see. Next, we have the mammoth gray striped sunflower. I cannot wait to plant this, y'all. This thing can get up to 15 feet tall, and I'm going to use it as a trellis for my cucumbers and my runner beans. The white African daisy with that blue disc, chef's kiss, dark opal basil, again, a very beautiful plant, and also is going to help my other plants, is a companion plant, ashwagandha. Yes, I'm going to be able to make my own ashwagandha. Mizuna, that is going to be for my salads along with my Egyptian spinach. Yeah, we exotic around here. Strawberry blonde sunflower, it's beautiful. And last but not least, the autumn beauty sunflower, which you see here. If you want to see these and the other seedlings that I have, see how they turn out, stay tuned, guys. Bye. It's Friday. So far, I think I did these sequences on Monday. Today is Saturday. Yes. The Mizuna, that was the first to sprout. Then the Egyptian spinach that you see there. This is the apple. I didn't even see it. Oops, sorry, Beckham. But both two of the strawberry blonde sunflower seeds sprouted. And let's see. Oh yeah, the basil, the dark opal basil. I'm happy to see that. Oh, and the gray stripe mammoth gray stripe sunflower. That's what that is. I have one in here and one where it actually is right there. Both of those are the gray stripe mammoth. Cool, so that's so cool. So I'm getting a lot of sprouts within the first week. That is a great thing. I'll be happy when the ashwagandha sprouts. Hopefully that'll be something that, yeah. This is what has sprouted so far, y'all.